Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Mehdi's here. In this video we're gonna talk about expand tabs method in Python. So this method lets you put white spaces in a string, so as much as you want or anywhere you want you can put white spaces using this method. So let's test it and write a variable called a and with value Python. So when you wanna specify where you wanna when you wanna have your white spaces, you put a slash and a t. So you store it in another variable like any other string methods. We write x is equal to a dot expand tabs. Here you can give an optional argument which is an integer, and it means how much white spaces that you want. And if you don't write anything, the default is 8, so 8 white spaces will be your number. So we write 4 and we simply print our variable, and let's see what is the result. The result is this, and there are 4 white spaces in the middle of our string. So we're done. Till next one, peace.